Greetings.
Good day, my princess.
Please, I'm looking for Mazi Okonji, the head of Umuru kindred. Is this his house?
Yes, my princess.
Is he in?
Yes, my princess.
Please call him for me.
Okay. Nine. Nine.
Oh, my princess. You are welcome to my home.
Thank you. My father sent me to know why you have not presented your farm produce to the palace.
Yeah, please tell His Highness to give me more time. Many of my kinsmen have not brought in their farm produce. As soon as that is done, I shall bring them immediately.
Well, my father, the king of Eziabala Kingdom, is giving you only 3 days to present your farm produce or face his wrath.
I heard you, my princess. Uloma, where's your mother?
She just went out not quite long ago.
I want you to go to Ikejofo's father and Obu's house. Okay. Tell them what the Igwe said.
Yes, Papa.
I shall get across to the others myself. Okay. Go immediately. Eziabala, when shall we be free from your troubles? Eziabala.
Umuru kindred, you know you have no justification for delaying the payment of your tax. You are pulling my legs. But next time, I won't be this lenient with you. I will not. Kenna, what is it?
Father, why have you decided not to treat me like the prince and the heir apparent to the throne of Eziabala Kingdom? You now send my sister Odunze on a special duty instead of me. Why?
Ikenna, you have no right whatsoever to question my actions in this palace. And I will not warn you about this again.
Father, I demanded to know why my office is being neglected. And you are accusing me of insulting you.
You know what? I will stop neglecting your office, as you said, when you start living a clean life, when you abandon this cruel life you live. Because no true son of mine would behave the way you do.
Father, I cannot be in this part.
Don't argue with me. Now leave my side. I said leave!
Ikejofo, that pot you are carrying belongs to my daughter, Uloma. What happened to her? Ikejofo, I'm asking you, where is my daughter?
She was kidnapped alongside Mazebwe's daughter.
They were kidnapped by who?
They were kidnapped by this Eziabala's youth. I couldn't do anything to rescue them.
Nanya! Nanya, come on! Nanya! Oloma has been kidnapped by Zabala youth.
But how did you get to know about it?
Naya brought the news. I saw them with my eyes, but I couldn't help them.
My only child. Now you have to do something. Now you have to do something. Now you have to do something. Now you have to do something.
Ada, my good friend, you did not go to the farm today.
No, I was helping my mother with house chores. How come you came back this early?
I heard what happened this afternoon. I became afraid and I said to go home immediately.
What happened?
So you've not heard? 2 girls were kidnapped today by some unknown persons. Why are you laughing?
I'm laughing at your foolishness.
What did you say?
Who wants to kidnap you? The girls that were kidnapped are from Umuolu Kindred.
The slaves in our land?
You're a true indigene of this land. You should know the reason why they were kidnapped.
Now I remember the Agbala festival.
Yes, the oldest festival is around the corner. We were tender when it was last celebrated 10 years ago. During this period, virgins are sacrificed to the gods to usher in Agbala festival.
Ada, it is high time our people stop these human sacrifices. These people that are being used for this sacrifice are human beings like us. That they are slaves does not make them animals.
Nneka, wash your tongue before you incur the wrath of the gods. On your family lineage, it is by this broad sacrifice that this land is still in existence, or else enemies would have wiped us all out.
I don't believe that.
How will you believe when you don't stay close to your father like I do? That's why you are still ignorant of the history of this kingdom.
Let it be.
Look at her. You are angry because I told you the truth.
Up till now, Mazio Konji's daughter is yet to be found, which means she is not coming back again. The handwriting on the wall indicates that the Agbala festival is here again.
Papa, I'm very angry. Please,
Ikejofo, calm down. This matter has been in existence before you were born.
Papa, is that why we should fold our hands and watch our people being sacrificed to the gods of this land? I don't understand.
Please, calm down. There is nothing we can do about it. Eziabala regards our people as animals. They can pick and be killed as they wish. They've even said that we should be happy, we should be grateful for them sparing our life. But anything.
It is so because our people chose to be cowards.
My son, I urge you not to say this outside because Eziabala will not take it lightly with you. He cannot spare your life if he hears this.
Papa, it's high time we rise up and defend ourselves.
We are handicapped, my son. There is nothing we can do other than to accept our fate. Arukego,
Yeah.
I hope you and your sister have had it all.
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Ijamaka.
Papa.
Please, I want both of you to stay indoors until this festival is over.
But Papa, what if we needed water? Can't you go to the stream?
No. Don't try it. Leave it for your brother. Your brother Ikejiofor can take care of that till after everything is over. You get my point? You heard me well?
I have heard what you said, Papa.
Good. I think I can retire to my bed. Ijamaka,
Papa,
you can take me inside. Do you think I'm old enough? Leave me. If I stand up, you can take me. You can take me.
Sorry, Papa.
I want both of you to go inside and celebrate this night.
Get me a piece of cloth. Fast.
Are you really going to the stream?
Aruke go say there's no water in the house.
No. Instead, let me go with you so I can carry the water.
No. Don't worry yourself. I'll get alone. Nyamaju.
I insist I must go with you. I know you can protect me in case of any trouble.
Ijamaka, have you forgotten what I told you and your sister last time? Please, allow Ikejiofor to go alone. These troubles will only last for a while. Because,
Papa is right. Please, for your safety. Oh, Biko, I'm begging you. That I'm a man does not mean I cannot go to the stream and fetch water. Please, I'll be back soon. Nyamaju. Papa, I'm coming. Let me go. Where are you? Get okay. Let me go and fetch water.
Thank you. Ijamaka.
9.
Has he gone?
Yes, 9.
Good. Please, stay.
I want both of you to think and tell me what a girl can give to a boy after her heart.
My princess, let me make a try.
Alright, go on.
In my own point of view, I think the best gift a woman can offer a man after her heart is, let me say, her heart.
Her heart. Okay. Amara, what do you think?
My beautiful princess, Nkoli here gave the correct answer. The heart is the best gift a woman can give to a man.
Well said. So what is the best gift a daughter can give to her father?
My princess, the question is simple, but it's hard to answer.
Yes, my princess.
Assignment for both of you. You will think very well and give me feedback this evening. Okay?
Yes, my princess.
Who is this that passes the princess of Eziabala kingdom without greeting?
My princess, his name is Ikejiofor. the son of Okekenta from Umoru kindred.
A slave?
Yes, my princess.
He's lucky I'm in a good mood today.
My princess, he's a stubborn type.
Then he's a fool. How can you be stubborn in a land where you are a slave? Well, we shall meet again.
Papa, here are the oranges.
Thank you, my
Have some.
Where is your sister? Please, tell her to get me water to wash my hands.
Sorry, Papa. Papa, it's me, Harukego.
Oh, thank you.
Ijamaka is not in the house.
Okay. Did she let her go with her brother?
I don't think so. She was preparing to cook when I was plucking some oranges. She said there was not enough firewood at home. I think maybe she has gone to fetch some firewood.
I want that none of you should leave this house. She should have managed the little one available at home.
Papa, should I go and look for her?
No.
Okay.
No. But tell me as soon as she's back.
Hey! Oh no! Manyanka Toka. What a sweet fresh palm wine. Hey!
I got it from my in-laws. It was tapped by the best palm wine tapper in their community.
I like it. Please place an order for it again for the forthcoming Abala festival. Mbochaga Diego. It will be a day to be remembered in the history of our land.
I have done that already. Anybody who comes in here that day will drink himself to stupor.
Yes, I know what you're capable of. After the celebration at the West Palace, all the members in cabinet will assemble here and continue the celebration.
You know what I can do? We will make that day a memorable day to be remembered by generations to come.
Yeah, that's what you do. You're on point. Oh no, I'm still worried over the discussion I had with you some time ago.
Which one? Please remind me.
It is about Priest Ikenna, our Igwe's son. Does it mean that his father has no control over him?
Ichienwenyi, Igwe has done everything possible. He has put in every effort to change the behavior of that young boy. To get that young man change his way, all to no avail. Even he has made sacrifices to his personal chi. Yet this young man keep getting worse every day. Can you imagine that?
Well, from the look of things, that young man is not capable to take over the throne of his father if he continues in this manner.
I believe Igwe is not silent. He is still making every effort towards that.
Okay.
Let me pour some more wine to you.
said that a stubborn fly follows the corpse to the grave. Aruka! Aruka, go!
Nai.
Has Ijamaka returned?
No, Papa.
What about your brother?
He has not come back soon.
Hey! Aruka, I am not happy. Why should Ijamaka go against my instruction that none of you should leave this house? Why? Why?
Let's go inside. They are coming. Who? The youth of Eziabala. Ibuka is with them. They met when I was fetching firewood. But Papa told us not to go out. Papa, let's go inside.
Where are you coming from? I'm finished.
Where is she? She must have run into the house.
But who are you?
I am Ibuka.
Ibuka or whatever you call yourself. You and your men should leave my compound now. Leave.
Now listen. You have no right to order me out of this place because this land belongs to us. You are just a common slave. So be silent or I'll unleash my anger on you. Efobi! Ibuka Wakika! Ofeli! Ibuka! Search this house! Turn it upside down!
Leave my children alone! Leave my children alone! Leave my children! Don't let them use my daughter for this sacrifice. Please, I beg of you. Don't let them use my daughter for sacrifice. Hey! Let them leave my children. It shall never be well with him. Ibuka, it will never be better for you. You and your group, leave my daughter alone.
Are you talking to me?
Yes.
Ogini.
Let me help you carry the water.
You want to help me and carry the water?
Yes.
Who are you?
My name is Ebere. I am Onuwu's daughter.
If you know who I am, you won't even propose helping me at all.
I know who you are. And I know the reason you're the one fetching the water instead of your sisters, Arukego and Ijamaka.
How come you know a lot about me?
Ijamaka is my friend. We play together each time we meet at the stream. So,
why do you want to give me this unmerited favor? A slave like me.
We are all human beings.
are you not coming?
I'm coming.
See what you have done to me. You refuse to listen to your father. Gods of my ancestors, please, do not allow them to kill my daughter. Don't allow anything to happen to my daughter.
Ijamaka! If Ijamaka had listened to you, Papa, they wouldn't have taken her away. If Ikejofa was around, they wouldn't have taken Ijamaka away. Why is all this happening to us? Why? Ikejofa!
My son.
Papa, what happened? What is it?
It's your sister, Ijamaka. They have taken her away.
Eh? How? How did it happen?
Ijamaka ignored my instructions and went to the bush to fetch firewood. They saw her there, she ran away and they followed her here.
You mean they followed her here?
Yes, Ibuka was with them.
No, this is the height of it. I cannot allow this happen. I cannot allow them to kill my sister. I'm going to rescue my sister right now.
Please, don't do that. That will be very risky. I wouldn't like to lose both of you. Please.
Please now. Ikejofa, please don't go. Listen to what Papa is saying. He has a point. Please, if you go, you will put all our lives in danger.
Aruka, I cannot bear this. I cannot bear this. If nothing is done, they're going to kill her.
Don't do that. Don't make any moves. Because if you do, they will not only kill you for fighting the tradition of the land, they will come back here, kill me and kill the remaining of your sister. Equally burn our house, please. Don't go.
This is unbearable. If I didn't do anything, now if nothing is done, he's going to be killed.
I understand. Please, if Ijamaka had listened to Papa, they wouldn't have taken her away. Please, listen to Papa. Listen to what he's saying. Please, I beg you.
Please. They are right. Listen to them, please.
Brother, please.
He's talking about my sister. It's my sister. It's my sister.
Brother, please eat your food. Eh?
Aruka, take the food away. I am not hungry.
No. You've not eaten anything since morning. And Papa is not happy about that.
You don't bother about me. He should be worried about Ijamaka, who is in the custody of the abductors. I wish I can do anything to save her life.
Nothing can be done. Yes, it is too late now.
Are you telling me that you're happy that Ijamaka is about to be killed? And her blood is going to be sacrificed to the gods of Isabella Kingdom? Is that what you're saying?
Brother, how can I be happy about that? Eh? I'm only telling you what our father said. He said nothing can be done about Ijamaka. Ijamaka cannot be rescued. Yes.
I am going to prove him wrong. Yes, I will tell him that I'm not a coward.
In our God's name, please, do not do anything to jeopardize our life, please. I beg you, brother.
I am not afraid to die. Yes, I will sacrifice my life to rescue her.
Ikejofa, brother, think about it though. Hey.
meet you today. Hey. I'll show you that I'm a master in this game.
What is it? What is it?
Okay, now what is it?
Who made away with the pears I kept in the house?
What kind of stupid question is that?
Stupid?
How am I supposed to know that you kept pears in the house?
Stupid? I will not take that for an answer. Because you cannot deny the fact that you knew nothing about the pears.
Please, Ikenna, I'm not ready for your troubles.
Oh, really?
What is this? What have you just done?
I am talking to you and you're busy playing this rubbish.
Ikenna, you're looking for my trouble. You're looking for my trouble now.
Are you mad? If you dare touch me again, I will
straight! Hey! Stop! What is the problem? Eh? Is Ikenna? He has started with his trouble again. He has started again.
Mother, how can I be talking to Odunze and she'll be using me to play this nonsense?
Ikenna, what's the problem with you? Why are you always quarreling with your sister?
Because I am the heir apparent to the throne of this kingdom. I deserve some respect from her.
Heir apparent, my foot.
Nonsense.
Come back here. Ikenna. I think it's about time I reported him to your father.
Mother, look at what he just did. Look at this.
It's okay. Pick all those things, okay?
Ojal, Ibuka, now that the youth are done with their assignment, we have to face the preparation for the oldest and the biggest festival in this land. Ojal,
let's not rejoice yet until the oracle confirms the victims for the sacrifice.
Ojali, were you not there when Onu congratulated all of us for a job well done?
Don't mind him. He's always absent-minded. That is why Ifobi snatched Neka away from him.
Ifobi did not snatch Neka from me. I was the one who gave her off because she stood demanding.
Oh, now you know. Ishuku.
You see, Mokankai, is my head bigger than yours? Is my own bigger than yours?
See your look at your beard. Yeah. You guys are laughing at me. Who is that? I don't know him. I think I know him.
Ibuka, I am here to see you.
For what? And who are you?
My name is Ike Jofo, a brother to Okenkenta's daughter, whom you abducted from their house yesterday.
So, what can I do for you?
I need my sister back.
I didn't get you right. What did you just say?
I said I need my sister back.
Slave boy, what gave you the guts to come here and demand for your sister?
I might be a slave, but I am not a coward. You have no right to come to my house and take away my sister. You have no right.
Look at my house. Just imagine.
I don't like this guy's height. He reduces his height.
Get him down! Get him down!
What? What is it?
What happened to you? Ikechukwu, talk to me, please! Papa Ikechukwu! They wounded Ikechukwu!
Where is he now?
He's on the blood! He's on the blood! Papa!
Listen, do you know where he's coming from?
Papa, I don't know. They have wounded Ikechukwu! Papa, Ikechukwu cannot talk!
Please, help him to his feet and bring him in.
Alright.
Bring him in.
Okay, now. Ikechukwu, please now. Because I know, because no.
The Great Abala Festival draws closer every passing day. And just like a joke, another decade is gone.
Your Highness, Isabella is working very hard to welcome the festival.
Yes, it's a moment of happiness. A moment when our loyalty to the gods of the land is rewarded.
Your Highness, yes. I think this is a very good time to arrange for our daughter's hand in marriage.
Hello, Mama, why? You are indeed a beautiful woman. I won't stop admiring you.
I appreciate you more, my king. Thank you.
You see, I am not in a hurry to give out Odunze's hand in marriage. But now that you have brought up the issue, I will give it a thought after the festival.
Well, Your Highness, I have come to talk to you about our son, Ikenna. He has started again. He was quarreling with his sister for no reason. Please, I would like you to call him to order so he doesn't injure her one day.
Ikenna has refused to be useful to himself. All he knows how to do best is to cause trouble in this house.
I thought after the sacrifice made on his behalf that he would be better.
Anyway, don't bother yourself. I will talk to him.
Thank you, Your Highness. I beg to leave your presence.
What is wrong with this boy? What in heaven's name is wrong with Ikenna?
Greetings, my princess.
Greetings, Ibuka, the strongest man of Eziabala Kingdom.
It is an honor to behold your beautiful face once again, my princess.
Thank you. I see you're coming from the farm.
Yes, my princess. I'm hurrying home to get prepared for tomorrow's festival.
Yes, the festival. The long-awaited festival. I can't wait. I was very tender when the last one was celebrated.
I know.
What is that? And how did you kill it?
My trap caught it.
You like it?
Yes.
You can have it.
Really? Yes. Oh, thank you very much. My father, the king, will be glad. Thank you.
Yeah.
I'll come to your house. We have plenty things to talk about.
Really?
Yes.
Okay. It will be an honor to have the princess of Eziabala Kingdom in my home.
Ibuka, you're very funny. Okay, I'll be on my way now. Okay. Have a nice day.
Okay.
So fine. Oh, thank God I finally met you here.
Ojemba. What is the meaning of this? And why are you standing on my way?
And what can you do if I may ask you? Mba, what can you do if I may ask you?
Are you not afraid to challenge me?
Ah! You Onye? Ojemba afraid of you. Why? Why should I be afraid of you? You Onye?
Efuobi, talk to your man. Tell him to get out of my way before I vent my...
I am going nowhere until you tell me why you're trespassing to my father's land. What do you think like that I'm like an other slave that you can trespass the way you pleases you?
Ojemba, do not touch the tail of a lion, whether dead or alive.
And that very lion has ceased to be a lion the very day you step into my father's land. See this? No,
Ebuka, calm down. Talk to me as your man. Did you in any way trespass into his father's land? Tell me the truth.
Don't mind this idiot. If I have trespassed into Onowu's land, Onowu will be the one standing here and not this half man.
Ibuka! I think he was able to also
take this man out of this place.
No.
Allow!
Allow him first! You want it? See! Calm down!
You believe me alone!
Calm down!
Believe me!
You want... See!
Ojemba, I'm warning you!
Ojemba, calm down!
Ojemba, I'm warning you!
No! I know what to do to you. See tomorrow. Tomorrow, I will wrestle you in that wrestling contest. And I will beat you up! I will disgrace you and tell you you are not anyone.
I won't touch you today for that. Tomorrow, I'll beat you the same way I've been doing it, even those like you from the past.
Ibuka, I will disappoint you. Ibuka, I will disappoint you tomorrow.
Take him out of here.
Ah!
Take him out of here before I divorce you. Take him out of here!
You see, Abala Festival is the oldest festival Eziabala has known. In the days of our ancestors, stronger kingdoms emerged against our kingdom. They fought us, they encroached into our lands, they kidnapped our children and our women and sold them into slavery.
Into slavery?
Yes.
Why?
You see, because slave trade was prevalent that time, and so they used it to enrich their kingdoms. Our people were helpless, and so they continued to suffer in the hands of their enemies, until one day, when the youths of the land rose up and said enough was enough. They fought the enemies who were trying to encroach into our kingdom then, but that wasn't the situation, for so many of our people were killed in the process.
Does it mean they were not prepared for the battle?
My daughter, the enemies were stronger and had more weapons. From that time, our people became slaves to 3 kingdoms that apportioned our land amongst themselves. Ancestors suffered the highest oppression and suppression at that time.
What a sad story. Thank God I was not born then. So, Father, how did they overcome the 3 great kingdoms?
Well, our ancestors entered into a covenant with the gods of the land.
So, where were the gods all the while that the people were enslaved? Why did they keep silent and allow the people to suffer?
My daughter, the ways of the gods are not the same with the ways of men. In that covenant, a great sacrifice was offered to sought the help and protection from the gods of the land. And then the gods fought the wars for our ancestors and gave them victory. The jubilation and celebration that followed the victory is what we call today Abala Festival.
Okay, I see. Father, that is great.
That's great. It's very great. We celebrate it once every 10 years to commemorate the victory of our ancestors and to ask for more help and guidance from the gods of the land, as was enshrined in that covenant. The gods entered with our ancestors.
Very interesting indeed. Now I know the reason for the festival. Thank you so much, Father.
You're welcome, my daughter. You're welcome.
Few hours from now, my sister will be killed alongside other virgins, captured for the sacrifice. It's painful that I cannot save my sister Ijamaka. What a wicked kingdom.
Hey ya, Papa Guanumu, Ogini Kai Merele, Abonanya Buramadu Chimozanumo, Achuba Jamono Bodani Keji Achuo, Ekekeloa.
So tonight, Ijamaka's blood will be shed at Okohia's shrine. Hey, Ijamaka, one name. Papa is inside crying.
My vision has been to rescue my people. But I never knew that one of my own will fall victim to Ezabala's barbaric tradition. God.
Brother, you tried to rescue her. You tried your best.
I wish I can lay down my life for her to live. I just wish. Let's go inside and stay with Baba. He needs someone by his side.
Yes, Baba.
It is midnight already, and the great Abala festival is here at last. It is a great hour in the history of this land. Few hours from now, I will be challenging Ibuka in a wrestling match. Princess Odunze loves him because he parades himself as the strongest man in this kingdom. Today, I will take that pride away from him. Sure I will.
Hey, where are you going by this time of the night?
I came out to urinate.
Were you not told that women are not allowed to be seen outside by this time of the night?
I know. I'll be fast.
And make sure no one sees you outside until cock crows.
The gods of our land, the appointed time is here. Oke moji si anyoko. Oko bruzo. Oke mwezi abala jemonu. The great Abala festival is here again. Your people have come with the sacrifice in accordance with the covenant Isabella had with you. Accept them and keep on protecting our land. Odogun. Odo ko neru. Ofe kwuru ka na-eme. Odo ko neru. Oge agara aka eruo. The gods have rejected one of the victims. She's the one. She's a wrong choice. Unbind her.
Ududo, please explain to us what you mean by a wrong choice.
Her blood cannot be shed.
Ududo, what do we do for her replacement? Time is running out.
Take her to the Igwe and let him do with her whatever pleases him. As for the replacement, do not worry about that. The gods are pleased with these two.
Ebele, I heard how your brother Ojemba planned to disgrace the almighty Ibuka in a wrestling match today.
My dear, I don't know how he intends to do that. Who does not know how strong Ibuka is?
That is true. The title won't last forever. Someone will one day take it away from him.
Anyways, I am just concerned about my brother. I don't want Ibuka to cripple him. If it is about the princess, let him go ahead and have her.
The king has not yet made it open that the princess will get married to the strongest man. It's just a rumor that flies about. I heard that the chief priest will go around this early morning to declare the festival open. I think that is what he is doing. Let's hurry. The masquerade will soon come out from their entrance.
You're right. Eh?
Ikejofo! Oh yeah? What is it?
Good morning.
Hey, you're welcome.
I came to deliver a message to you.
What is it?
Ijamaka is still alive.
Sister, what did you just say? What did you say? What did you say?
Ikejofo?
Papa?
Who are you discussing with?
It's Onowo's daughter.
Onowo's daughter?
Yes.
In my house?
Yes, Papa.
What does she want?
She came with a message. Please, repeat what you just said.
Ijamaka is still alive.
Have you come to mock us or what?
No, how can I do that? I'm saying the truth tonight.
How did you get the information?
I overheard my father telling my mother that the gods rejected one of the victims, and the description he gave matches that of Ijamaka.
And where's the victim? Where?
I think she was taken to the palace to tell me what to do with her.
Papa, I think I have to go there immediately.
No, not yet. If the person she talks about is truly Ijamaka, then there's hope. I think we have to give them time. Yes.
Okay, in that case, I have to go.
Thank you for the information.
Ikejofo, that is a proof that the gods have finally answered my prayers. Yes. May the gods be praised.
Sorry.
Oh, don't go down, please. Hey. Oh, what's wrong?
I warned you, but you didn't listen. Eh? You didn't listen to me.
Ibuka is a wicked man. Ojimba, you should have just stayed away from him.
Oh, I'm not a coward.
Look at him. He's still talking. You are not a coward. You are lucky that you did not break your spinal cord. You are just lucky.
I was there. I was there. I saw the way Ibuka threw him on the ground.
I saw you do.
Yeah. Oh, easy.
You are welcome.
Obi dear. What happened to him? Odalenu.
Are you the only one who did not see what Ibuka did to our son?
Are you the only one who did not see what Ibuka did to our son? Were you not here when he was boasting how he's going to beat Ibuka? But you say despite my warning, he went ahead to challenge Ibuka. Look at the result. He brought shame to me and you are saying this.
Nah, we don't have to blame him. You know the children of these days, the way they behave. You don't have to blame him.
That does not concern me now. You see, I invited the elders in here. So do that thing you are doing to him and push him in. If he wants to die, let him die inside. I don't want the elders to come here and see him crying like a girl. If you are not strong, don't challenge the champions. Don't push him inside. See, you need a job.
Oh, easy now.
Look at what you just brought upon yourself.
That is it.
It is astonishing.
So, you're even away with that.
Yes. Ichumi, I wonder where the young man got his strength from. Imagine what he did to Onowo's son. He battered him completely.
Ojemba should have known by now, before going to challenge him. A champion is always a champion.
Yeah. That's right. I cannot see any man in this kingdom who can take the championship from Ibuka.
Hey, Chenwen, the princess surprised everyone today. I wonder where she got those eggs from.
It puzzles me. I've never seen such in my life.
The sparkles on those eggs make it look so extraordinary.
Yes, I saw it. I think they are not ordinary eggs. They are extraordinary. The king should ask the princess how she came about the eggs.
Yes. That reminds me. Have you heard anything concerning the maiden that was rejected by our gods during the last night's sacrifice?
Yes. I heard that the king decided to keep her in the palace as one of the maidens.
Hey! Is she gonna?
That's what I heard.
Hey! How can Igwe behave in such manner? Bearing in mind that there is a reason the gods rejected her in the first place.
Well, I understand that the king feels that she will be useful at the palace. But meanwhile, let's be going to the Onowo's house because others will be waiting for us. There are lots of palm wine.
Today remains a memorable day in my life. Did you see the surprise on my father's face when I presented him with those beautiful eggs?
Yes, my princess, I did. You even surprised me too. How did you even come up with such idea?
My princess, I never expected it.
You know, I had always wanted to give my father a special gift on the festival day. Something a little extraordinary.
Oh, my princess. No wonder you asked us yesterday the best gift a daughter could give her father.
Yeah. Yes, you are right. And the idea came into me immediately. I set my eyes on those beautiful eggs.
Wow. My princess, that's so thoughtful of you. You made the festival a unique one. The history will be passed on from generation to generation because of this.
Are you serious?
Yes.
I never thought of that. Oh! That means I've made history for myself.
Of course.
Yes, my princess. Generation after generation will remember you for that.
I am overwhelmed. Oh, I'm so happy. Kenna, you're welcome.
Princess of Isabella Kingdom. You broke records today with your magnificent displays.
Thank you very much. I appreciate it. Thank you. I'm so happy.
And you useless idiots. You can't quit.
Good day, my prince. Good day, my prince.
Good day, my friend. Useless shenanigans.
Ikenna! Like I was saying. I'm so happy. Again, I was waiting for you to finish eating so that I will talk with you.
What is the matter?
Ikenna, with all due respect, I don't like the way you treat my maidens as if they are worth nothing to me.
So you're here to warn me because of the way I talk to those riffraffs, those rats you call maidens?
No. You're getting me wrong. I'm not here to warn you, but to tell you to change your attitude towards them. I feel embarrassed each time you scold them for nothing.
Will you shut up? You're a disgrace to this family and the entire Isabella Kingdom.
Ikenna! You called me, Odunze, a disgrace? How dare you?
I am totally disappointed at you. No, look at you. You're not worth the princess of this kingdom, of this land. You're here to warn me because of the way I talk to those idiots you call your maidens.
What is going on there? Ogini?
You're out of your senses.
Ogini? Eh?
Ask her. Ask her. Your one and only princess. Ask her what she told me.
What did you tell him? Oh, no. You don't have to cry. What happened?
Greetings, my prince.
Is this not the girl that was brought here last night?
She is my prince.
I thought my father has decided to keep her here as one of the maidens.
That is true, my prince.
Then why is she still here in chains?
I'm waiting for the king's directives.
What? Set her free. Now!
I'm sorry, my prince. The king will get angry.
Are you stupid? Are you mad? Who is the king? Is the king not my father? And who are you? Who are you to challenge me? To argue with me?
I'm sorry, my prince.
You're stupid! Get out! Loser! Set her free! Immediately!
Prince.
Do it! Now! Do it!
Stop crying.
Stop crying. You should be thankful to the gods and be glad that you're still alive.
I don't know why she's crying. The prince had pity on you and released you from the chain. Yet you're here crying. Continue crying. A slave in the palace, yet you're not happy about it.
Oge, it's okay. Must you abuse her?
Iruka, please be warned. What I said to her is none of your concern.
It is wrong for you to raise your voice or despise her.
Iruka, mind your business in this palace.
Or what will you do? Will you beat me?
Yes, I will.
I dare you.
Hey. What's going on there? She will be staying with both of you for now until mother or father decides otherwise.
Yes, my prince.
Did I make myself clear?
Yes, my prince.
Good.
I can see you've grown wings in this palace. No problem, I know what to do.
You cannot do anything to me. You cannot do anything to me. Nonsense. Jamaka, stop crying, okay? Dry your tears. Everything will be okay. Stop crying.
Why did you release her without my consent?
I'm sorry, Your Highness.
Don't tell me you're sorry. Answer my question.
It was the prince that asked me to release her.
My son.
Yes, Your Highness.
Ikenna asked you to release her?
Yes, Your Highness.
You. Your Highness. Get me Ikenna right now.
Father, you sent for me.
Ikenna, did you or did you not force this guard here to release the girl that I have put in chains?
Oh yes, I did.
Ikenna, why have you decided to always go against my orders in this palace? Why?
Father, what again? What did I do this time? What did I do wrong? You have made it clear to all of us that this girl should remain here as a maiden. Father, it is wickedness for you to have kept this girl in chain and under unfriendly weather. Father, it is wickedness. Yes! Father, it's
Ikenna, shut up! You are talking to our father, the king.
Ikenna, get out of my sight.
Oh? Huh?
I said get out of my sight.
Get out!
Father, please, I'm sorry about that.
If this boy doesn't take time in this palace, I will disown him. And you know what that means? He will lose every inheritance.
Please, Father, it has not gotten to that extent. He's still your son. Please.
I have had enough from him. And in fact, it has gotten to this level. What is his problem?
Please, I'm so sorry. Yes? What are you still doing here? Get out! Father, please, I'm so sorry. I'll talk to Mother to talk to him.
I was at the palace this morning to deliver a message to the princess.
Did you see my sister?
Yes. She's already serving as a maiden.
Right. How is she?
Well, I think she's just getting used to the place. She was crying this morning when I saw her. I didn't have much opportunity to have long discussion with her. Ikejofo. The most important thing now is that she's still alive.
You're right, but how long is she going to stay there? How long?
Do not worry.
Iberi! Iberi! What are you doing with this man? Iberi, what are you doing with this man? Because I asked you a question and you answer. Just answer me now.
We are discussing.
Discussing what? Iberi, before I close my eyes and open them again. Iberi Wala. One pusu kewo. You want one keta. And you. The very next time I will see you close to my sister. Kankaya come. Close. If you're looking for people to talk to, go and look for slaves like you. And not my sister. What? What? I was talking to you. You are moving. You are moving.
My daughter, I have been thinking about this since after the ceremony, 2 days ago. I asked your mother and she said she knew nothing about it. That's why I called you.
Is that why both of you look so upset?
Yes. We have every reason, Odunze, to be upset. There is something about those eggs that is giving us a lot of concern. I was thinking about it before your father summoned me.
Father, there is nothing wrong about them.
No, don't argue. Anyway, there's no need asking you where you got those eggs from. But the point is that you are taking them away. I do not want to see them again.
Father!
You heard what I said. Please, go and take them away. Go!
You're angry because of what your father told you in there? It shouldn't be.
He rejected my gifts and now he asked me to take them away.
Yes, because he has his reasons.
I wanted to keep those eggs and see what they would be when they are hatched.
Odunze, you cannot take such a risk. Your father said you should throw them away. Throw them away now.
My princess, what's the matter?
My father rejected my gifts. Now he wants me to take them away.
But why?
Where is Amara?
She went to check the eggs to make sure they are safe where we kept them.
Uncle, I don't want to take those eggs away. I don't want to.
My princess, you have to throw it away. What if someone finds out and reports to the king?
No, they cannot. You and Amara will help me preserve them where no one can find them. On the eggs.
My princess.
Ama, why are you crying?
My princess.
What is the problem? Why are you shedding tears?
The eggs.
What about the eggs? What happened to the eggs? Talk to me.
They fell off my hands and broke.
What? You broke all? You broke all the eggs? How could you? How could you break my eggs? Oh!
I'm sorry, I wanted to keep them in a warm position. I'm sorry, please forgive me. I'm sorry.
Greetings.
Oh, my princess. Welcome to my house.
Thank you.
Please sit down.
Thank you. And congratulations for your victory yesterday.
Oh. Thank you. I must commend you for your wonderful performance yesterday.
Thank you.
The eggs, where did you get them?
I don't want to talk about it.
Is anything the matter?
Were the eggs that beautiful?
Yes, they are. I saw the excitement on the king's face when you presented the eggs to him yesterday.
It was all a pretense. He rejected the gift afterwards.
Are you serious? So what was his reasons?
He said lots of things. And to make the matter worse, Amara broke the eggs accidentally. That's why I've been sad. I've been very sad since then.
Oh. I hate to see you look so unhappy. I wish I can restore those eggs so that you can have your happiness back.
Thank you.
I'll be right back.
My princess, he's indeed a nice man.
Yes, he is. He knows how to put a smile on my face.
I know.
My princess, these are for you.
Oh, thank you very much. They are so beautiful.
I made them special for you.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. I'll be on my way now.
Thanks for coming to my house.
You're welcome.
I see you some other time again.
See you.
Greetings, my princess.
Surprise. I didn't know you can greet. I thought they said you're stubborn. Anyway, never mind. What is your name?
Ikejofo. It's my name.
Ikejofo. What a lovely name.
Princess, if you don't mind, I take permission to take my leave now.
You can go. He's humble.
My princess, it was only a pretense. He knew you would be angry with him over the last time he passes without greeting you.
Yes, my princess. Nkoli is right.
Anyways, why am I bothering my head over a slave boy? Whether he's stubborn or not, it's not my business. Let's go. It was a dream.
Dream? By this time of the day? Maybe that's your Obanje has started again. You just have to control it.
Ikenna, you are the one that is an Obanje. You are Obanje. Mind the way you talk to me. Stop insulting me. I'm your elder sister. I deserve some respect from you.
Oh, elder sister. Sorry, I'm sorry if I have insulted you. It's just that I'm trying to tell you to check it. Oh wait.
Why don't you just say that for? Look at you.
Check it. Oh wait.
What kind of dream was that?
My princess, is anything the matter?
I had a bad dream.
Dream?
Yes. In the dream, spirits were chasing after me. Like 3 of them. They were demanding something from me. I can't explain.
Oh, that's strange.
I am yet to understand why Prince Ikenna despises us so much.
Are you the one saying this? Were you not the one who told me how he begged to live with you but you refused?
Yes. I remember.
Anyway, Prince Ikenna made the same passes at me, but I refused.
He did? But you've not told me about that before. Anyways.
What is even wrong with that girl? I observed recently that Prince Ikenna have been sleeping with some of us in this palace.
That boy is just so shameless. The prince of the land. An heir apparent at that matter. No.
Come here. Are you deaf? I said come here. What have you come here to do? Onny now isn't it?
No. She has gone dumb.
Abi.
She doesn't know how to talk again.
Now Jamaka, or whatever you're called. You're a slave, and for that reason, I don't want to see you anywhere close to me. Do you understand? Now get out of here. Out!
As I was saying, that boy is something else.
What is going on here? Am I not talking to human beings? Not in my names. Gossip. Gossip? That is the only thing both of you know how to do in this palace. I believe it's your destiny. It's your destiny. Both of you has been destined to gossip. Gossip. Come on, get out of me.
You're back. How are you? What is it?
Where is our father?
He's inside.
A maiden was found dead at the palace this morning. I heard some people talking about it at the stream.
What happened to her?
Nobody knows.
The maiden, did they in any way mention her name?
No, not at all.
Okay, please. Do not let Papa hear this. Okay?
Yes.
I am going to the palace now. I'm going to the palace now.
You're going to the palace?
Yes. Please help me pack these things.
Ikechofo.
Be careful.
What really happened to her?
I can't say, Your Highness. The maiden who saw her corpse said that it was bleeding from her nose and her ears, which means she bled before she died.
And how could such a thing happen in this palace, where I have guards and maidens, and yet no one can give account of it?
Father, why are you worrying yourself over a mere maiden? Instead of getting rid of her corpse, you're here talking about... Father, there are so many things in this palace that need your attention. Please, go straight to them and not... Anything can happen to anybody.
Ikenna, I do not want to hear a word from you again on this issue. Yes.
Okay, fine. Besides, I have more important things to do with my life, not to sit down here and listen to you discuss corpse, mere dead body. Thank you for allowing me to go.
Where is Odunze?
She's outside, Your Highness.
Yes, my king.
Yes, are you back from Onowu's house?
Yes, my king. He is on his way to this place.
Okay, you can go.
Thank you, my king.
Elema, I want all the maidens and guards in this palace giving thorough interrogation on this matter.
Yes, Your Highness.
Igwe, what must have happened to her?
No, I didn't know. But I've ordered that all the maidens and guards in this palace be interrogated seriously. At least one or two of them must have seen what happened to their colleague.
And that is true. Oh, yes?
Your Highness.
Yes, who is this?
He was spotted by the guard, who identified him as an intruder during Abala festival. They say he sneaked into the compound to release a slave girl that was rejected by the gods. And he ran away before we could get to him.
He came in to release someone I have in custody.
Yes, Your Highness.
And you did not tell me about it.
The slave refused to tell us who he is to her.
I will punish you for such negligence of duty.
I'm sorry, Your Highness.
Young man, who are you?
Greetings, Your Highness.
Don't greet me. Answer my question. Who are you?
My name is Ike Jofo, the son of Okekenta from Umoru Kindred. The slave girl he talked about is my younger sister.
Wonders. a slave in the land? You had no fear coming into this palace.
I'm sorry, Your Highness.
And he had no fear coming into this palace to set someone free. And as if that was not enough, you have the guts to come into this palace again.
I'm sorry, Your Highness.
Igwe, this is a serious matter. Maybe he must have an idea what happened to the dead maiden.
Your Highness, I'm innocent too.
Shut up! Innocent. You are still talking. Guards.
Your Highness.
Take him away and lock him up together with that slave girl.
Quickly.
I don't know how to tell father that Ikejofo left here for the palace in the morning and has not returned till now. Why has he not come back?
Aruka. Aruka Ego.
Papa.
What are you doing here?
Nothing.
Has your brother come back?
No, Papa.
Hey. This is unlike Ikejofo, my son. He has never left this house without telling anyone where he was going. Where has he been since morning? Hey. Please, get me water. Let me drink. Up to this moment, he's not yet back. Because of my ancestors, I hand him over to you.
Is this not Ichie Nwenyi's daughter? What happened to her? Hey. Is this not a similar strange death that occurred at the palace yesterday? Hey. The gods of our lands, what is happening to us? I don't know. We were clearing our farm over there. And the next thing she fell down. And blood sticks are coming out from her nose and mouth everywhere. And she died.
Just like that?
Just like that.
I knew it. I said it that this thing is not ordinary. When did it? Don't worry. I'm already on my way to the palace. Igwe must hear of this before Madam Wucha Noboda. Hey!
Why is he in such a hurry? I hope all is well.
Mother, help me. What? I don't know. What is it? I don't know. My body is scratching me. I'm a premium. I don't know. I don't know everywhere. Scratch me. Hey, mama. Hey. Scratch me. Mother, I don't know. Help me. I don't know everywhere. It's scratching me. What happened? I don't know what happened. I don't know how it happened.
Your Highness, as I speak with you now, Ichie Wenyi's daughter is still lying lifeless at the place I saw her. Even Kakarigwe.
Hey! I got one of the even
Evil has entered our land. Oh no. Until the rotten teeth is removed, the mouth will chew well.
Let me understand you. Are you saying that the two girls you talked about had similar death with the girl who died in the palace yesterday?
Your Highness, it's obvious.
This is a clear evidence that all is not well.
I came the second time. No. Let's see what is going on. My daughter's fault. My daughter.
Mother, I am dying. Oh. Mother, I am dying. Oh. Who did I offend? Who did this to me? Oh. Hey, Obia. Scratch my hands.
What happened to my daughter? What happened to her?
No, I can't explain. I don't understand. But I'm innocent. But I'm innocent. I did not offend anybody. Oh.
Hey, you! Go fetch me the great herbalist. Doka, quickly. Go and fetch. Quickly fetch him from me. What's on it? Fan her, please. Hey! You get pain. Come on. Easy, take it easy. Hey!
Ibuka.
Ophieli.
You have to forgive Ojemba. Both of you can't go on keeping malice like this, Ibuka. Odroma.
I'm expecting you to talk sense into his head. I heard he goes around boasting that he's going to deal with me, Ibuka.
Ignore that. It's a rumor.
This is more than a rumor. Make your investigations, Ophieli.
Ibuka. Both of you used to be best of friends. Ezubueni now. Ibuka.
He started it. Even his father, the Onowu of this land, found out that I never encroached on anyone's farmland.
Ojali, what is chasing you?
Never. Both of you are still there upon all that has happened this afternoon.
What? What happened?
Let me start with Ichie Wenyi's daughter, Ada, who was found dead This afternoon on her way to the stream.
What killed her?
I have just started counting. FOB's sister is lying dead in their father's house. On my way to this place, I saw where people gathered. I went there to find a young lady lying dead by the corner of the road. All this happened this afternoon. Now the Princess Odunze is lying critically ill at the palace.
Princess?
Yes. I am coming from the palace. The great herbalist has been called for her treatment.
No, it can't be,
That means there's trouble in the land.
I need to lock the door. I'm going to the palace right now.
Let's go to the palace.
How could you have done this to me, Arukego? You knew your brother went to the palace and you hid it from me. Now, tell me, what is your game?
Papa, I am very sorry. I am very sorry. Please forgive me. Ikejofo warned me not to let you know. I didn't know he wasn't going to come back.
I should have found my way to the palace and defend my son. Now tell me, none of us knows if he is still alive or not.
Papa, please forgive me. It is all my fault. Please, Papa, I'm sorry.
Get the lights. Let us go to the palace. I must be told the whereabouts of my children. If not, Igwe Abala should kill me too.
Papa, by this time of the night? No, Father. We can't go to the palace by this time of the night. Please, I beg you. I don't want anybody to level any allegation on us, please.
Get the light and take me to the palace, Arukego. Or do you think I'm kidding? Get the light and take my hand.
Papa! What is it? He's back!
Who? Papa.
Ikejofo.
Aruka. How are you?
Ikejofo. Papa. My son. You're back. Where have you been? Help.
Papa. I'm so sorry. I know you and Aruka must have been through a lot due to my absence. I'm sorry.
Now, what of your sister? Is she still alive?
Yes, Papa.
Ijamaka is alive?
Yes, she's alive. We were both kept in confinement with neither food nor water. Until this evening, we were brought out to eat. After then, Igwe asked me to go home that I'm innocent. But Ijamaka is retained in their palace.
Ijamaka, my daughter. When will I touch her and hear her voice again? Because of my ancestors, please, don't let them kill my daughter.
Papa is okay. She'll be fine. Okay? Come, let's go inside.
Budo na gị na mmụọ gbari mgbao. I am. Ọ na-abụ onye ji akwụkwọ jebe nkụzi o. I am. Udo na gị na mmụọ gbari mgba. I am. Ọ na-abụ onye ji akwụkwọ jebe nkụzi o. I am. Ọ na-abụ onye ji akwụkwọ jebe nkụzi. The princess
has refused to take her herbs. Nebikono, oh, please, oh, take the medicine, it will help you.
I don't want to take.
It's not bitter. It will save your life. Odunze Biko, for my sake, drink it.
Mother, I cannot.
This will be effort in vain if you refuse to take your herbs. It will work with the one I applied on your body. It won't kill you. It will save your life, I said. We'll even Wonya. Wonya.
My prince, here's the papa.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome, my prince.
Take one.
Thank you. Thank you, my prince.
Jamaka, you are the most beautiful girl on this planet Earth.
Thank you, my prince. Please, I have to go.
Nice.
Hey, come back here. What are you doing?
My queen, I brought papa for the prince.
Go.
Thank you, my queen.
What was the meaning of that?
What was the meaning of what?
You think I did not see you?
Mother, please. Please allow me to enjoy this popo. I need peace right now.
You're just stupid. Your sister is lying in there, sick. You have not made out time to see her. Idi mean.
You are accusing me now as if I'm the one responsible for the sickness that befell her. What is wrong with everybody in this house? No, what is wrong? Every time he cannot this, he cannot that. What is it?
Will you shut up? How dare you shout at me? Are you mad? I'm your mother. What is wrong with you?
No, you two go out and shout. Shout at me. Shout. What
Will you shut up? Wicked child.
Oh.
Nemo, how are you?
Good morning.
Good morning. You're welcome.
Thank you.
I was busy at the back here when my sister came to tell me that you're looking for me.
Yes. I came to sympathize with you about what happened the other day. I was really disturbed when I heard you were being held at the palace.
It's okay. Thank you very much.
How is your father?
Oh, he's fine. He's fine.
I brought this for you.
Oh, for me? So nice of you.
Thank you.
Resi, I want to appreciate you for your concern towards my family. You've been so friendly and so nice, despite our status in this kingdom.
Never mind. You're welcome.
Thank you.
I have to be on my way now.
Okay, let me walk you to the road.
Oh, thank you.
You see, I won't ask you where you're going to because I know this is not the way to your house.
Yes, my mother sent me to fetch firewood.
Okay, I'll go back from here.
What is Ojemba's sister doing with a slave? I don't think Ojemba is aware of this. I must tell Ojemba this. Magui Ojemba.
Okay. Please manage the banana I gave you. I know it's very small.
No, how can you say a thing like that? No gift from a pure and clean heart is small. Ebere, see, you have this quality in you that is hardly seen in most women of our days.
Thank you. I am flattered.
It's okay. I will see you next time.
Okay.
Bye.
Yeah. You and Ibuka should put your past behind and carry on to be the good friends you used to be. I've spoken to Ibuka and he's ready for reconciliation.
Ofeli.
Ojemba.
Ofeli.
Ojemba.
Did I send you to Ibuka? No. Did I send you to Ibuka?
Ojemba, I don't understand you.
Okay, fine, you don't understand. See, the battle between I and Ibuka has just started. He thinks he's the strongest man in this kingdom, but I will prove him wrong.
Ojemba.
I will prove him wrong.
Ojemba, the way you are taking this matter too far. When he told me that you are going around the village telling everybody how you deal with him.
See, let me tell you something. I don't care. See, I don't care what Ibuka say or what he is about to say. I don't care.
Ojemba, think about my advice. We are the youth leaders. And we need to unite so that we can fight the challenges that may arise in the future.
Oh, really? Let me inform you. And let me pre-inform you. I am not scared of anything. I am not afraid of everything in this village.
Okay. Ojemba, I saw your sister when I was coming back where I went to check my trap. And indeed, I was not so happy when the person I saw her standing with.
And who do you see my sister with?
I saw your sister standing with the son of the slave boy. What's that name?
Ikejofo?
Yes, the son of Okekenta.
Wait. Ikejofo?
Yes.
Are you serious?
I'm telling you, I'm going to caution how. Caution how.
Wait. Thank you for the information.
Ojemba, Ofeli, what is the problem? I just told him that I saw his sister standing with the son of Okekenta from Umoru kindred.
Yes.
What is the Igbo doing over the incessant deaths in the land?
Mazi Okonji, have you asked yourself why none of our kindred member is affected by the calamity that has befallen the land? It is because Eziabala is paying for the evils they committed against our people.
You are right. That is why they are confused that they cannot look for a solution to the problem.
I cannot forget how they murdered my wife and claimed they knew nothing about it. I'm looking forward to see the day we'll be free in this land, this community.
Okay, Kenta. When will that be? Where is the Messiah that will liberate us?
Wait! Elia! Where's the gate for? Let him come out now! Where's the son?
Who is that?
Oh! Amunobu's son. I want to see your son out or I will burn this house down!
Please don't burn my house. What has my son done to you that warrants you to burn my house?
No, I am not here for questioning and answering. Provide your son or maybe Where's him? I don't want to get out. Where is him?
Don't go my house.
Papa, what is going on here? Why is he shouting?
Look at this fool. So I'm shouting.
You must be a fool. You must be a bigger fool.
Yes, a fool. Because I will show you why we own this land. You are a slave.
My friend, do you know what you are? Emi here. Enwanu man ana akpo muturu mpafu. Enwanu man ana akpo muturu mpafu. Nwanya ndamaturu. That is what you are. Stop. That I'm a slave does not mean I'm a coward.
Hey.
Siben Nampo. Get out from my father's compound now.
Do you want to kill somebody?
Do
you want to kill somebody? Stop. Do you want to kill somebody?
Do you hear that?
Stop.
Do you hear that?
Jelu.
Stop. Stop. Any honor I walk and get Allah. Get Allah.
Stop. You want to kill somebody?
Ike Jofo, Bikono, please go inside.
Nai, I am not going anywhere. I was born and brought up in this land, and that gives me the right of origin.
Calm down. You want to kill somebody?
Don't worry, he came, eh? Unyala. Leave my father's compound now.
Yes.
Ezemo, our people are dying. And my own daughter, the princess of the land, is at the point of death as I speak to you now. We want you to consult the gods to find out the cause and remedy to this problem.
Do you better go na ala mmụọ? Ma ọ ga jere na mmụọ ga-adị ka mmụọ. Gods of Ezabala, there is problem in the land. And I have come to find out why it is so. Okay, Ezabala Jemonu. Okay, Mojisi Anyoku. The water deity is very angry for what was done to her in the past. The princess must be brought here to speak by herself.
Wait. Today, are you telling me that my daughter is the cause of the problem in the land?
Those were the words of the gods. Sent for her immediately.
But like I said earlier, my daughter is very down. She cannot stand. What do we do?
Then send for one of her personal maidens.
Huh?
Your Highness.
God.
Yes, Your Highness.
Go and fetch one of the princess' personal maidens.
Is that all you have in the house?
Yes, this is all we have in the house.
Gets me water. Woman, I thought you said your husband will be back soon.
I didn't know he was going to stay long.
I want you to go to Okekenta's house and fetch your husband here now. I'm waiting.
I'm the only one in the house. I cannot leave my house.
You think I'm here for a joke?
Will you go there and fetch me your husband here? Tell him I'm waiting for him. Don't you know I'm supposed to be in the palace by now to know how the princess is faring?
What do you want?
Don't pretend your wife didn't tell you why I'm here. But all the same, I will explain myself to you. I have warned your wife times without number to stay away from that piece of land. Today, this afternoon, I was passing by and I noticed that your wife was there doing some harvesting of cassava.
Why will you warn my wife not to harvest the cassava we planted in our land? Allow us to harvest our cassava. If it is the piece of land you want, you can have it all to yourself.
Warning you and your wife for the last time to stay away from that piece of land.
Ibuka, my calabash, my cup.
Ina agbaze. Agbazezina.
And how did he get those fruits?
He demanded I must give him something for making him come to our house.
And you offered him the fruits I kept in the house? Anyway, you've heard what he said. Stay away from that cassava farm. Let him have both the cassava farm and the land. And if he wants to eat them, let him go ahead.
This place reminds me of the sweet cherry apple in this forest. It's been long I tasted it.
Me too, my princess. Don't worry, we are very close to where the apple trees are located.
Are you serious?
Yes, my princess.
In that case, let's go and search for it.
My princess, I suggest we go on. Ama and I can come back and fetch the apples.
No. We are going in search of the apple. Amara, please lead the way.
My princess, the king will not be happy with us if he finds out that.
Nkole, my father is not here with us. You do exactly what I asked you to do.
Yes, my princess. My princess, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to provoke your anger.
Amara, please lead the way.
Look what I found.
Oh, my princess! How did you sight these eggs?
I looked and I saw them. They are very beautiful.
Yes, they are. But my princess, why are there sparkles of light on them?
The sparkles of light makes them look like a gift from the gods.
Exactly. Yes, they are gifts from the gods. They are so beautiful.
My princess, this might not be ordinary eggs.
What is your problem, Nkole? Why are you always afraid? What makes you think they are not ordinary eggs?
The sparkles on them.
So? Don't bother. I'm going home with them.
Princess, please return them. Let's go.
You never cease to amuse me. You, Nkole. Let's go.
It's very beautiful. Your Highness, we came back with the eggs. We didn't know what the princess had in mind until the day of the Abala festival.
Let me get one thing clear. Are you trying to tell us that the eggs the princess presented to our king were the same eggs you just talked about?
Yes, Nai.
Hey! If you Your Highness. Hey!
But where are the eggs now?
Why have you suddenly gone dumb? Speak!
Your Highness, the eggs are broken.
The eggs are broken. But my daughter told me she returned the eggs because I asked her to do so.
Your Highness, Amara broke the eggs before the princess could return it.
Your Highness, we're in big trouble.
How can we come out of it?
We are in big trouble. Hey!
Your Highness, yes. The eggs belongs to the sacred python.
Hey!
The image of sea goddess. She is very angry and she requires that the eggs be returned with immediate effect.
Hey!
Now get out.
Ah!
Please, Ududo. Please, is there no alternative to this demand? Since the eggs are broken, please make your consultations and let us know.
Your Highness.
Yes.
The sea goddess is a stubborn one, and she has refused to make alternative demand. We have limited time to provide the eggs, or more of our young women, including the princess, will die.
Mbana. How we are going to have more deaths in our land? How?
Ijamaka.
Yes, my queen.
What is going on?
Nothing, my queen.
I ask you again. What is wrong with you?
I don't know, my queen. I feel weak and feverish, and it's also making me to vomit.
Ijamaka, I did not ask you because I care about how you feel. No. I ask you because I can see some changes on your body. You are pregnant.
No, my queen. I'm not pregnant.
Will you shut up? I know you've been sleeping with all these guys. Who got you pregnant?
My queen, I'm not pregnant.
I give you till the end of today to give me the answer I want.
Please, my queen. I'm not pregnant. Please.